Okay, so this is a Steampunk REM-Pod. So it's got a rechargeable battery inside that can be charged up via this connector here. So you get a 3-pin mains adapter included. You've got a detachable antenna, which is also telescopic. On the side, you've got an on switch, which will turn the device on. And in this example, the crystal on the top, you'll see flashes different colours. So then to activate the REM, set the telescopic antenna to the desired length, switch the unit on, you'll hear it beep to calibrate, and then when the radiating electromagnetic field is broken, you'll hear the device alert, and then the valves will light accordingly. So if you change the antenna whilst in use, just turn it off, recalibrate the device. Okay, thanks for watching.